Hello children, I am Mrs. Satyavati. I'm your teacher. Life is so sweet, isn't it, little ones? Learning in life is very sweet and fun. Don't you think so, my little friends? Now, I welcome you all to this fun-filled bento Learn with Fun tutorials, wherein you could learn lot of things and also have immense fun in doing so. I will also introduce you to my favorite students. This is Divya and this is Hari. Divya and Hari love to learn lot of things, don't you?
Yes, teacher.
So, let's start the tutorial and have a lot of fun in learning lot of interesting things. Alphabets. Alphabets contain 26 letters. Each letter have immense value. So, let's start learning alphabets in order. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. My wonder kids, now you have learned English alphabets. Now I will ask my two favorite students some questions. Divya and Hari, could you tell me 3 words for each alphabet? A for apple, A for air, and A for ant.
B for ball, B for baby, B for balloon.
C for cat, C for crow, C for carrot.
D for dog, D for doll, D for duck.
E for eagle, E for elephant, E for egg.
F for fan, F for fox, F for falcon.
G for ginger, G for guava, G for giraffe.
H for hen, H for hippopotamus, H for hanger.
I for ink, I for India, I for ice cream.
J for jackal, J for jug, J for juice.
K for kite, K for kangaroo, K for king.
L for lion, L for lamb, L for lychee.
M for monkey, M for mat, M for mosquito.
N for nest, N for nib, N for nut.
O for owl, O for orange, O for onion.
P for pen, P for peacock, P for panther.
Q for queen, Q for quill, Q for quilt.
R for rat, R for rainbow, R for rabbit.
S for swan, S for spoon, S for snake.
T for tiger, T for tomato, T for train.
U for umbrella. U for unicorn. U for universe.
V for van. V for violin. V for vulture.
W for watch. W for window. W for wolf.
X for Xmas tree. X for xylophone. X for X-ray.
Y for yacht. Y for yak. Y for yellow.
Z for zebra. Z for zip. Z for zero.
3-letter words. Very good, kids. It was fun learning it. Now, let's take a look at some 3-letter words. A-G-E, age. A-I-R, air. A-D-D, add. B-O-Y, boy. B-E-E, bee. B-E-D, bed. C-A-N, can. C-A-R, car. C-O-W, cow. D-A-Y, day. D-A-D, dad. D-R-Y, dry. E-G-G, egg. E-A-T, eat. E-N-D, end. F-A-N, fan. F-A-T, fat. F-L-Y, fly. G-U-N, gun. G-O-T, got. G-O-D, God. H-A-D, had. H-E-R, her. H-I-S, his. I-C-E, eyes. I-N-K, ink. I-L-L, ill. J-O-Y, joy. J-U-G, jug. J-E-T, jet. K-E-Y, key. K-I-D, kid. K-I-T, kit. L-A-W, law. L-A-P, lap. L-E-G, leg. M-I-X, mix. M-A-N, man. M-U-D, mud. N-E-W, new. N-A-P, nap. N-U-T, nut. O-U-T, out. O-I-L, oil. O-U-R, hour. P-E-N, pen. P-U-T, put. R-A-T, rat. R-U-G, rug. R-U-B, rub. S-E-A-C, S-H-Y, shy. And so on and on. 4-letter words. Come on, my flowers. Now, let us learn 4-letter words. A-W-A-Y, away. A-R-M-Y, army. B-A-B-Y, baby. B-I-R-D, bird. C-A-V-E, cave. C-U-T-E, cute. D-E-E-P, deep. D-R-O-P, drop. E-A-C-H, each. E-X-A-M, exam. F-I-L-M, film. F-I-L-E, file. G-I-R-L, girl. G-O-A-L, goal. H-A-I, hair. H-A-V-E, have. I-D-E-A, idea. I-T-E-M, item. J-A-I-L, jail. J-U-M-P, jump. K-N-E-E, knee. K-E-E-P, keep. L-O-V-E, love. L-I-C-K, leg. M-O-N-K, monk. M-I-C-E, mice. N-E-A-R, near. N-E-E-D, need. O-V-A-L, oval. O-V-E-R, over. P-O-S-T, post. P-U-S-H, push. Q-U-I-T, quit. Q-U-I-Z, quiz. R-O-S-E, rose. R-A-N-K, rank. S-A-F-E, safe. S-N-O-W, snow. T-I-M-E, time. T-R-E-E, tree. U-G-L-Y, ugly. U-S-E-D, use. V-E-R-Y, very. V-I-E-W, view. W-H-A-T, what. W-A-K-E, wake. Y-A-R-D, yard. Y-O-G-A, yoga. Z-E-S-T, zest. Z-E-A-L, zeal. And so on and on. Okay, now it's time for singing some rhymes. So let's sing along. Ba-ba, black sheep.
Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for my master and one for my dame, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for my master and one for my dame, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane.
Ding dong bell.
Ding dong bell, pussy's in the well. Who put her in? Little Johnny Thin. Who pulled her out? Little Tommy Stout. Ding dong bell, pussy's in the well. Who put her in? Little Johnny Thin. Who pulled her out? Little Tommy Stout.
Humpty Dumpty.
Humpty Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty Dumpty together again. Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty Dumpty together again. Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall.
Twinkle, twinkle,
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
ha ha ha! That was fun, isn't it, kids? I hope you enjoyed it very much. Learning Hindi, which is our national language. Can you tell, Divya? Miss, it is Hindi. You are absolutely right. It's Hindi. So, how about learning Hindi alphabets? Come on, say with me. A, I, U, Ru, A, I, O, Au, Aha. A से अनार, आ से अजगर, आ से आम, आ से आदमी, इ से इमली, इ से इमारत, ई से ईख, ई से ईट, उ से उल्लू, ऊ से उंगली, ऊ से ऊंट, ऊ से ऊर्जा, ए से एक, ए से एकता, आई से अनेक, आई से ऐरावत, ओ से ओढ़नी, ओ से खोखले, औ से औरत, औ से औज़र, अम से अंगूठा, अम से अंडा और आहा। अच्छा, तो अब तक आपने हिंदी के अक्षर और शब्द को सीखे। अब वक्त है कुछ अंक सीखने का। 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20। अच्छा, तो हमने अंक सीखे। मैथमेटिक्स। Okay, now we will learn maths. नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चों, I hope you had fun learning Hindi. It's time to have more fun with counting numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Counting was amazing. We had lots of fun with counting. Now, add some numbers and learn addition. How much is 5 plus 3? Open your fingers and start counting till 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, add 3 to it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we counted till 5. We shall continue our counting to get the answer. 6, 7 and 8. So, 5 plus 3 equal to 8. Let's see another example. Divya, could you tell me how much is 8 plus 6? Teacher, now I will open my fingers and start counting till 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I will add 6 to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have counted until 8. I will continue my counting to get the answer. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So, 8 plus 6 equal to 14. The answer is 14. Isn't it, teacher? Very well done, Divya. Now, hurry. Could you tell me how much is 11 plus 9?
I will open my fingers and start counting till 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now I will add 9 to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have counted till 11. I will continue my counting to get the answer. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So, 11 plus 9 is equal to 20. 20 is the answer. Isn't it, teacher?
Splendid! You did a great job. So far, we learned counting and adding numbers. Now, we shall learn how to subtract the numbers. How much is 10 minus 2? Let us start subtracting. Open all your fingers. As you know, we got 10 fingers. Now, subtract 2 from 10. That is close two of your fingers and then count the remaining number of fingers, and that will give you an answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 10 minus 2 equal to 8. It was fun, isn't it, kids?
Yes, teacher.
Now let's see more examples. Hurry, you have 10 apples with you. If Divya takes away 3 apples from you, how many apples are remaining with you?
I have 10 apples. If Divya takes 1, 2, 3 apples, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 apples. So 10 minus 3 is 7.
Very good, Hari. Divya, you have 12 oranges with you. If you give me 5 oranges, how many oranges are remaining with you? I have 12 oranges. If I give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 oranges to you, teacher, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7 oranges. So 12 minus 5 equal to 7. Fabulous, Divya. You are learning fast. Tables. Fine. We learned how to add and subtract numbers. Now we shall learn some tables. Let's begin with 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 sixes are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. 2 tens are 20. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 sixes are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27. 3 tens are 30. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 sixes are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. 4 tens are 40. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 sixes are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. 6 nines are 54. 6 tens are 60. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. 7 sixes are 42. 7 sevens are 49. 7 eights are 56. 7 nines are 63. 7 tens are 70. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. 8 sixes are 48. 8 sevens are 56. 8 eights are 64. 8 nines are 72. 8 tens are 80. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. 9 fives are 45. 9 sixes are 54. 9 sevens are 63. 9 eights are 72. 9 nines are 81. 9 tens are 90. 10 ones are 10. 10 twos are 20. 10 threes are 30. 10 fours are 40. 10 fives are 50. 10 sixes are 60. 10 sevens are 70. 10 eights are 80. 10 nines are 90. 10 tens are 100. 11 ones are 11. 11 twos are 22. 11 threes are 33. 11 fours are 44. 11 fives are 55. 11 sixes are 66. 11 sevens are 77. 11 eights are 88. 11 nines are 99. 11 tens are 110. 12 ones are 12. 12 twos are 24. 12 threes are 36. 12 fours are 48. 12 fives are 60. 12 sixes are 72. 12 sevens are 84. 12 eights are 96. 12 nines are 108. 12 tens are 120. That was easy and fun. General knowledge. Now, let's improve our general knowledge. Let's know the names of some of the popular games. Hari, could you tell me some of the popular outdoor games?
Football, hockey, volleyball, kabaddi, skiing, skating, tennis, golf, cycling, cricket.
Good. Now let's know the names of some of the popular games. Divya, could you tell me some of the popular indoor games? Badminton, snooker, billiards, chess, ice hockey, table tennis, carom, squash, bowling, dart. How about knowing the names of some water sports now? I will tell you the name of some of the water sports. Swimming, water gliding, water scooter, parasailing, barefooting, knee boarding, river rafting, wakeboarding, scuba diving, snorkeling. Flowers. Little honeys, you love that. Now, it's time to know the names of some flowers. Divya, please tell me the names of some popular flowers. Dahlia, rose, rose, jasmine, marigold, lotus, lily, daffodil, orchids, bellflower, hibiscus, tulip, carnation, sunflower, daisy, coxcomb, iris, aster, ginea. Fruits. Now let us know the names of some fruits. I will tell you the names. Listen carefully. Banana, papaya, apple, orange, guava, mango, apricot, grapes, strawberry, raspberry, pineapple, cherry, pomegranate, custard apple, watermelon, dates, pear, peach, jackfruit. Vegetables. Divya, tell me names of some vegetables. Lady's finger, onion, potato, brinjal, cucumber, cabbage, carrot, tomato, green chilli, cauliflower, bitter gourd, beans, peas, pumpkin, radish, drumstick, turnip, beetroot, garlic, mushroom, coconut, capsicum. Musical instruments. Hurry! Now I want you to tell me the names of some musical instruments.
Guitar, drums, violin, sitar, tabla, saxophone, flute, piano, bass drum, bagpiper, trumpet, veena, clarinet, mouth organ.
Monuments of India. My little sweethearts, now let us learn about some monuments of India. Taj Mahal, Red Fort, Charminar, Qutub Minar, Hawa Mahal, Jaisalmer Fort, Gateway of India, Konark Temple, Fatehpur Sikri, Buddha Gaya. National leaders. Divya, could you tell me the names of some of our national leaders? Mahatma Gandhi. Good. He is the father of our nation. Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of our nation. Subhash Chandra Bose. He was a great freedom fighter. Dr. Ambedkar. He is considered as father of Indian Constitution. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He was famously known as the Iron Man of India. Indira Gandhi. She was the first woman to become the Prime Minister of India. Sarojini Naidu. She was popularly known as the Nightingale of India. Lal Bahadur Shastri. He was the second Prime Minister of India. Children, his famous quote is Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. APJ Abdul Kalam. He is the former president of our country and a great scientist. The 7 wonders of the world. Now, I will name the 7 wonders of the world. So, Listen carefully, my wonder kids. Taj Mahal, Great Wall of China, Leaning Tower of Pisa, Eiffel Tower, Pyramid of Giza, Hanging Gardens of Babylon, the Colosseum. Human body parts. Hurry, could you name some important parts of the body?
Head, eyes, nose, ears, mouth, neck, chest, hands, legs, stomach.
Our helping hands. Many people help us in our daily life, isn't it, kids? We call them as our helpers. Now I will teach you about some important helpers of our day-to-day life. Police inspector protects us from thieves. Traffic police maintain the traffic. Nurse helps the doctor in keeping us healthy. Sweepers keep our city clean. Social workers help the helpless and needy people. Balanced diet. In order to maintain a good health, we should have balanced diet. So, let us learn about balanced diet. Rice, bread, vegetables, fruits, milk, eggs, meat, fish, dal, cornflakes, jam, noodles. Hurry, please tell me what would make an ideal breakfast?
A glass of milk, bread toast, an egg and a fruit would always make an ideal breakfast, teacher.
You are right, Hari. Divya, can you tell me what would make an ideal lunch? A good meal like rice, vegetables, dal, sambar, rasam, curd in the afternoon would certainly make an ideal lunch, teacher. Very good, Divya. Now I will tell you what would make an ideal dinner. As we all know that after dinner we go to bed and don't do any activity. We need to have a very light diet like one roti, sabji, vegetable, a small dessert and an energizing drink. Professions. It was fun learning about balanced diets. Now let's learn about some of the professions that you can take up when you grow up. Teacher, I want to be an hair hostess. How about you, Hari?
I want to become an artist.
Fine. Divya, can you tell me some of the other professions? Doctor treats people when they fall ill. Engineer constructs big buildings. Lawyer fights for justice. Pilot flies airplane. Teacher teaches good principles. Scientist investigates scientific things. Professor teaches in college. Colors. Well said, Divya. Now I will tell you about some colors. White, black, green, red, orange, blue, violet, yellow, pink, purple, brown, grey. Shapes. Now it is time to know about different shapes. Pentagon, square, rectangle, triangle, circle, polygon, hexagon, heptagon, cube, octagon. National anthem. Can any one of you tell what our national anthem is? Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem. Good, Divya. Now, Hari, tell me who wrote our national anthem?
Rabindranath Tagore, teacher.
Very good, Hari. Now let us sing our national anthem together. Days, month and year. Now let us learn the days of the week and names of the month in a year. There are 7 days in a week. They are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. There are 12 months in a year. They are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Common objects. Hari, name some of the common objects we use daily in our school.
The most commonly used objects in our school are blackboard, duster, chalk, table, chair, desk, book, pen.
Divya, could you name some of the important parts of computer? The parts of a computer are monitor, central processing unit, keyboard, mouse, headphones, speakers. Good. Now I will name some of the common objects used in a kitchen. Gas stove, pan, refrigerator, microwave, spoon, tumbler, plate, pressure cooker, water filter, fork, knife. This is fun, isn't it?
Yes, teacher.
Festivals. We are learning so many things. We shall now learn some of the festivals celebrated in India. Dussehra, the festival of Goddess Durga. Holi, the festival of colors. Sankranti or Pongal, the festival where we exchange Ellu and Bella. Diwali, the festival of lights and crackers. Ganesh Chaturthi, birthday celebration of Lord Ganesha. Gauri, the festival offering puja to Gauri. Eid ul Fitr, Ramzan, festival of welfare. Eid ul Zuha, Bakrid, festival of sacrifice. Christmas, birthday celebration of Jesus Christ. Easter, celebration of Jesus Christ's resurrection. Pongal, festival of harvest. Onam, festival of happiness. House objects. Divya, your house is very big and beautiful. It is filled with lot of things. Can you name some of them? Thank you, teacher. In our living room, we have a sofa, television, bookshelf, table, air conditioner, fan, music system, carpet, divan, DVD player, animals and birds.
Do you have books on wild animals, Divya?
Yes, Hari. I have a book on wild animals. Divya, could you name some of the wild water and domestic animals for us. Yes, teacher. Some of the wild animals are lion, tiger, cheetah, bear, wild buffalo, wolf. Some of the water animals are whale, shark, squid, octopus, crocodile. Some of the domestic animals are cow, cat, sheep, goat, dog, pig, donkey, rabbit. Well done, Divya. Now I will teach you the names of some of the birds. Birds: parrot, duck, peacock, kingfisher, pigeon, crow, sparrow, crane, swan, woodpecker, eagle, owl, hen, goose, penguin. Good habits. Wonder kids, you love birds and animals, isn't it? We had a lot of fun in learning these things. Now, very importantly, I will teach you good habits. We should brush our teeth after waking up and before going to bed every day. One should do regular exercise, bath every day, pray to God every day, wash your hands before eating food and also after going to washroom. Help others who are in need. Eat healthy food which contains vegetables. Sleep early and wake up early. Important dates to remember. Sweethearts, now we shall learn some of the most important dates which we should remember. Republic Day celebrated on the 26th January. India got its independence on 15th August 1947. So we celebrate our Independence Day on 15th of August every year. Kids, you know Gandhi Tata, right?
Yes, teacher.
Good. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on the 2nd of October. This is the day when the father of our nation was born. Children's Day in India is celebrated on 14th of November as a tribute to Chacha Jawaharlal Nehru. 14th of November is also the birthday of Chacha Nehru. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th of September. Do's for a good child. Good children will always do good deeds. So, in order to be a good child, one should always keep your room clean and tidy. Make sure your study table and books are kept in order. Keep your toys in their place. Remember, always eat food on time. Finish your homework on time daily. You have to study every day before going to bed. Respect and love the elders and the younger ones too. Don't do's for a good child. Now, I will teach you what good children should not do. Don't talk to strangers as it may lead to bad consequence. Don't play with sharp objects as they may hurt you. Don't scatter your surroundings. It may invite insects, mosquitoes and flies to make their home and spread diseases. Don't misbehave with elders and younger ones. Don't eat junk food from outside vendors as they are not hygienic. Maintaining nature. Divya, do you know how to maintain our precious nature? Yes, teacher, I know. We should water the plants every day. We should not pluck flowers. We should not pollute the nature by throwing garbage around. We should not walk on the grass. We should not contaminate water. Is that right, teacher? Very well said, Divya. Interview of a child. Well, we enjoyed learning so many things, right?
Yes,
teacher. We enjoyed this and also had lots of fun. Now, I will interview Divya. It would be fun. Please answer my question, Divya. What is your name, little girl? My name is Divya. How old are you? I am 6 years old. Which class are you studying in? I am studying in 2nd standard. Which school are you studying in? I am studying in Bento English Medium School. What is your father's name? My father's name is Mr. Anant Murthy. What is your father? My father is a businessman. What is your mother's name? My mother's name is Mrs. Savita Murthy. What is your mother doing? My mother is a housewife. Who all live in your house? My father, my mother, my sister, my grandparents, me and my little kitten. What did you have for your breakfast today? I had 2 idlis and an apple. I also drank a glass of milk. Well done, Divya. Little flowers, I hope you all enjoyed our Bento Learn with Fun tutorials.